Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, check out all my check out all my media channels and all that stuff. I really appreciate it, and so thank you. All right, very good. Look, now I've been hesitant to get into metaverses and NFTs and all that kind of stuff, probably to my own detriment. But you know, I just I've just been hesitant to get in, but I'm slowly getting in, slowly wetting my feet, and I'm not looking at this. I don't really play video games all that much, right? But I'm an old fart, man. I've been, I remember regular Nintendo, okay? And I wish I had a couple first generation Nintendos. Pokemon. I mean, some of this stuff has absolutely exploded. There's some Pokemon cards that are just outrageous, right? So this is how I'm looking at this. I'm looking at this as more like artwork with function. Okay, some of these games I might get in and dig around a little bit, but to be honest with you, I probably won't play very much. But I'm looking at this as like a collectible item that I mean these tokens are first generation Cardano metaverses. Okay, so that's how I'm looking at this, and the floor price for these projects are um, right around $100, under $100. It's worth it to me to buy a piece of art. I mean, if I was buying a piece of art, that's how I'm looking at this art with function. So anyway, let's check some of these projects out. Oh, also, actually, here is a good tool. Let's see. On my Discord channel. Look, my Discord channel is rough. I actually made this for me. So it's a little bit rough. It doesn't look great and all that kind of stuff. It's probably unorganized, but it's useful for me right now. And thanks for bearing with me as I upgrade it. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me and helping build community. So I really do appreciate it. Anyway, but so under NFT over here, I've got Metaverse links. In fact, you'll find all the links to the Metaverses I'm going to talk about today right here. And then here's NFT section. Um, NFT CNFT tool is a great tool. Look, I really think that Cardano is going to explode. It's not financial advice, but I really think Cardano is going to explode. Um, so anyway, but CNFT.io. Oh, this is not the one I wanted. This is a good place. That's a good one to buy NFTs on. Let's see. I guess it's open CNFTs. Yeah, this is the one right here. You can. This one gives you a volume ranking. It gives you a floor price on projects, different projects happening. So I usually try to sort by volume, and I want to see what's coming up. So anyway, this is a great tool. There's Pavia. Pavia pretty much stays at the top, right? So and then there's Cardano. Some of these non-function NFTs are just pictures or whatever. Some of these actually have function. Um, I'm slowly getting into, but some of them are skyrocketing. Look, 1.1 oh, that's 1.9 floor price. That's a volume. 955 ADA. I mean, that's floor price here, 3,800 ADA. Space buds. Come on now, right? Um, these some of these projects aren't very old either. So anyway, okay, let's go on. Let's go on. But join the Discord, check it out. Like I said, it's a little bit rough, but okay. So Cardano. All right. So Cardano. This is the first project I want to look at. This is going to be the closest thing I think of. This is going to be like Ark Survival. This kind of sounds like Ark Survival. Last time I looked, there was you could buy on cnft.io. You could buy founder cards still. You can buy the transform, which is a land. You can buy the postage. You can buy all this stuff on CNFTs. And this is a good project. You're going to have farming. There's ways to make materials and all that kind of stuff. But I mean, you could get one of these founder packs for right around 100 ADA last time I looked. And I mean, that's a founder's card, and that gives you bonuses by holding it and all that kind of stuff. So that's the first project I want to look at. I'm just going to run through these just to make you aware of them. Cornucopias, I've talked about this before. In fact, I've got some of their coin in the Copy coin in the liquidity pool. I think this is going to be a great project. This is a great looking project. Uh, like I said, these projects they might not be around 5 years from now, right? They might just go right down the tube. But you still have the NFT. The NFT is not going to be destroyed, and it's a piece of history. It's a piece of artwork. So I'm investing, and I think this is going to be a good project. I encourage you to check this out. Here's the roadmap to it. Oh, back here on Cardano, I want you should check out this link here, the link tree. This has a lot of information on it. You're going to find, you can have a quick click to where you're going. Um, and the project overview and all that kind of stuff. So there's a link to their Discord. Um, and let's see, where was that? There's about the Terraforms, join the Discord, Twitch. That's their homepage. Let's see. Oh, okay. I think this is it. There's some good stuff in here. I mean, this tells you all about the project here. So I encourage you to go down here and scroll through that. Okay. So anyway, all right, let's go over to Pavia. All right, Pavia. Now I bought a piece of Pavia a little while ago, and or it was quite a while ago actually when it first came out. And I encourage you, make sure you link your wallet. Make sure you log in and link your wallet when you get a piece of land from one of these places, because I didn't even know it. I had the land in my wallet, and all of a sudden the next thing I know I had some Pavia token. So these people, you have your land in your wallet. They're dropping to addresses. Uh, I got in pretty good. I got a decent piece of land. Let's see if I can get it to scroll right. I think my piece of land's like right here. Let's see if it. I think this is it right here. Yeah, there's my piece of land right there. So I mean that's a decent placement, right? So I mean that's not bad. Here's the central hub. It's not bad. Uh, I'm happy with that. Close to the water, I'll be able to walk down to the water and jump off the cliff or whatever. Who knows what's going to happen in these places. So, but and it's a piece of artwork to me. And hell, this dude right above me, he might want to buy it sometime, or somebody might build like a big farm down here and want to buy my piece of land from me sometime and offer me something I can't resist, right? So, but that's decent placement. Think about placement when you're going. Cardano Village. Look, man, they were dropping NFTs over Christmas. They were dropping their little plots of land look like this, or like little fairy tales, and they have looks like Charles Hoskinson, and and then I guess this is like a little bad guy or something like that. Um, but they were dropping these NFTs for I think 2 Cardano, 3 Cardano. Yeah, see, they were like 3 ADA. Okay, and that was the Christmas event, and they have ones that don't have Christmas, and then they have other ones. I mean, look, pick a couple up, right? Uh, I think they're selling for like 50 ADA right now, so that's quite a return. It's like 25x, right? So, if you pay 2 ADA for it or 3 ADA. So, uh, anyway, Anyway, the next one is so that was Cardano Village. It's kind of fairy tale. They're working on their 2D and 3D map, so it's just something to look into. And even if you're not gaming, then just I'm doing this just to have it. So anyway, the next one is Ada Realm. And Ada Realm, you can see their roadmap down here, and see roadmap. You go to Explorer and start. They've got their 3D. Um, they've got their 3D map going on. Got snow on it. They had some snowmen on it last time I was in here, but so they're building it out, right? They're building out. Let's see if well, walk doesn't work, but you can go over here. Here's like a mountain. There's some plots here. Here's mountains. It's nighttime in here right now, so you can't see really well. There's a little section in here that you can actually go inside of the volcano. And let's see. Look, it's rough, right? But and there's some plots of land in here. In fact, the first plot of land I bought ended up in here. I thought it was on the outside, but it was actually in the volcano. So, and then since then I've picked up another plot of land. This is probably the cheapest of all of them to get into right at the moment. So anyway, check it out. It's just like I said, it's artwork to me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope maybe I turned you on to some new projects. And so, okay, y'all are beautiful. I'll check you out next time. Hey, look, also recently, man, I've been really busy. I'm building my stake pool out. So if you have ADA and you want to stake it, my stake pool will be up in a couple days, and it'll just help support the channel and all that kind of stuff. I have lots of plans for it. In fact, plans to help out the community. So, but we'll get into that later. All right, y'all are beautiful, and I'll see you next time.